How are you feeling today?
A little better, but still tired.
You've been strong through all this.
I don't feel strong
Why not?
because I'm scared.
That's normal.
I keep thinking, what if I don't recover?
Don't think like that.
It's hard not to.
You're not alone here.
I know, but it feels lonely.
I'm here with you.
That means a lot.
What do you want right now?
Just to go back to normal life.
You will.
I hope so.
One step at a time.
Yes, that's all I can do.
And that's enough for today.
It doesn't feel like much.
Healing rarely feels big while it's happening.
I guess it's quiet progress.
Exactly. Small steps still move you forward.
I just miss who I was before.
You're still that person, just going through something hard.
I want to believe that.
Then hold on to it, even if it's just a little.
I'll try.
What's one thing that helped you today?
Talking. Like this.
Then let's keep talking.
I'd like that. How long have you been waiting?
Hours. It feels like forever.
Any news?
Not yet.
That must be stressful.
I can't stop thinking about worst cases.
Try to stay positive.
It's hard.
Who's inside?
Someone very close to me.
I'm sorry.
I wish I could do something.
Being here matters.
It doesn't feel like enough.
Sometimes it is.
I just want them to be okay.
They will fight.
I hope so.
You're not alone in this.
It feels like I am.
I'm here with you.
Thank you. That helps a little.
Do you want to talk about them?
They're strong. Stronger than me.
Sounds like someone worth waiting for.
More than worth it.
Hold on to that.
I'm trying.
Every minute brings you closer to news.
I keep watching the door.
That door will open.
I just hope it's good news.
Whatever comes, you'll face it.
I don't feel ready.
You don't have to be ready to be brave.
I guess I'm already trying.
You've been standing here for a while.
I'm deciding whether to knock.
What's behind that door?
A conversation I've been avoiding.
Why avoid it?
I'm afraid of the outcome. What could happen?
Things could change forever.
And if you don't knock?
Nothing changes, but nothing improves.
That's the real problem.
Yes.
What will you do?
Take a deep breath and knock.
I'm proud of you.
I'm scared, but ready.
Fear usually means it matters.
It matters more than I want to admit.
Then it's worth facing.
What if I say the wrong thing?
Then you'll learn what the right thing was.
And if I hurt them?
Honesty can hurt, but silence can damage more.
I've been silent for too long.
Exactly. This is your moment.
My hands are shaking.
That's okay. Knock anyway. Whatever happens next, you showed up.
We've been walking for hours. Yes, but it feels good, like I can finally breathe. You needed this, didn't you? I needed to get away, even just for a while. From what? From my thoughts, because they've been too heavy. Are they still following you? A little, but quieter now, not as overwhelming. Nature helps. It really does. It clears my mind. What are you trying to figure out? Whether I should stay or leave, because it's been on my mind. That's a big decision. Yes, it affects everything in my life. What does your heart say? It says leave, like it wants something new. And your mind? It says stay, because it wants safety. That's a conflict. Yes, and I'm stuck between them. What makes you want to leave? I feel stuck here, like I'm not growing anymore. And staying? It feels safe, because I know what to expect. Safe but limiting? Exactly. It's comfortable but small. Which matters more? Growth, I think, even if it's harder. Growth needs change. That's what scares me, the uncertainty. Fear is normal. I know, but it's still loud. Your heart is louder. Maybe it is. I just need to listen.